Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today we'll be doing some Christmas nails that turned out to look so good, so I'm really excited for you to see them. Don't forget to subscribe. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. So first we start off with my Disgusto nails right here. You can see they're in a really bad condition, so I'll file them as short as I can and then push back the cuticles and clear the nail bed with some sandpaper bit. I'm going to trim off the dead skin and use a cuticle bit to go deep in there and remove all the dead remaining skin on my cuticle line. Wiping it off with some acetone, and here you have the before and after. You can find a full tutorial on how I prep my nails for jelly tips. I'm going to be using these coffin shaped tips, and I'm going to be putting them on with some peel off beads underneath because I want to be able to pop them off whenever I need to change them. So here you got all the set on. I also filed them, but I'm gonna show you later when I fix the shape. And I'm gonna be flashing the cuticle line of a fake nail to my actual natural nail. And now it's time for painting. I'm gonna be using this very nice semi-transparent glittery flash effect red. I'm gonna put this on all of my nails so that we have some cohesiveness. And bear in mind that those are transparent, so underneath you can see the same color on all of them. I'm going to be doing my pointer finger first. I give it a thick top coat and I'm sprinkling some red glitter on. I want to encapsulate this. And I want to encapsulate this, so I cure it and putting another thick layer on. So I cure that and then I just file off all the excess. Here is very useful if you have a drill, so this is optional. You can do it with the file only. I wiped off the dust and gave it another clear coat, and now it's looking shiny and pretty. Moving on to my middle finger, I'm gonna give it a red mirror effect. Going on to my ring finger and my pinky and my thumb, I just give them a second coat of the same color that I did on the first coat. And I'm giving a top coat to my middle finger, and there you have them. I actually hated the shape, so I made them a little more almondy. I'm wiping off all the dust from the filing, and I'll give my ring finger a thick top coat again. And the same for my pinky. And right before I cure it, I'll put these super pretty snowflakes from Shein. I'm placing them randomly. And honestly, they are kind of like metal material, so you can bend them on your drill bit or on your finger. And I'm enhancing that with some rhinestones. And honestly, it turned out so cute. I'm curing this. And now I'm moving on the middle finger. As you can see, there is no right or wrong here. I just jumped from one finger to the other. And I'm taking my liner gel and giving it some white stripes. I'm struggling a little bit with straight lines, to be honest, but it's okay. Have I told you to subscribe, guys? It will really help me if you subscribed or like this video, or both. So now I'm taking some glitter powder and I'm sprinkling it before I cure the white all over. I'm trying to get it everywhere, but I'll tap on my finger so that it goes down to all the stripes. Sugary. So here it is. I'm curing and wiping all the leftovers. And now for the thumb, I'm getting some cat eye gel. This is, I don't know, it just came out so pretty, but you'll have to wait for the process. So I put this on top of my red, reflective red. And yeah, I'm gonna take my magnet. I'm gonna form it into a nice illusion. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna cure that, and on top of it, I'm gonna put that semi-transparent, same red that I did before that. So it gave it this beautiful, beautiful illusion. I don't know, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. I'm curing it, I'm putting a top coat on. And I put some top coat on my pointer finger. I really don't know why I did that. And I cured it, but I cured it. Then I put some more top coat to put my little candy canes from Shein, and they're beautiful. They were for a really good price. So it's kind of coming together now. It's kind of coming together. I couldn't stand the difference of the red on the red, so I'm just giving it a little touch up. And for the pinky, I'm gonna use some hard gel to put that big reindeer on. He looks so cute. I figured that whenever I have big charms, I need something steadier to place them. I'm curing this. I'll give the little reindeer a sparkly nose, matching the rest of my nail. And boom. Pretty. And who doesn't like to highlight their nose? So there you go with a little highlight. Boop. Beautiful. So this is what they look like at this point, and I felt like my thumb was kind of missing something, so I cured and then I put a little bit more top coat to put some pearls on it, and actually it didn't turn out that bad. I still don't know how I feel about it. Like, maybe I could just not touch it, but we put the pearls on now. And here's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this set with I hope you guys enjoyed making this set with me. I really loved it. I put some top coat on all of my charms to keep them nice and shiny. And some cuticle oil to keep your fingers nice and pretty. And voila, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this set as much as I did, and please don't forget to leave a like if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holiday, and please stay safe, everybody. See you in the next one.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems.